In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to WordPress. By the end, you'll be able to display a Canva design right on your website using a clean, reliable embed. First, head to canva.com and make sure you're on the home page. From here, open the specific design you want to show on your site. It's a good idea to give your design a clear name, check your dimensions, and review any pages if it's a multi-page design. The embed will display what you see in Canva, so this quick check helps avoid surprises later. With your design open, look to the top right and click Share. This is where Canva keeps all the export and publishing options. If you don't see what you need right away, click. See all to expand the full list of destinations. We're looking for the Embed option. Go ahead and select Embed. This tells Canva you want code that can be placed on a web page, and it will generate an HTML snippet, usually an iframe, that points to your design. In the Embed dialog, you'll see the HTML embed code. You can typically adjust size options here or later on your site if you need a different fit. Click to copy the HTML code to your clipboard. Keep this code handy. You'll paste it into WordPress in a moment. Now, log into your WordPress site. Open the post or page where you want the design to appear. In the block editor, add a custom HTML block and paste the code directly into that block. If you're using the classic editor, switch to the text or HTML view and paste the same code where you want it to render. Use preview to confirm the design loads correctly. If it looks too large or too small, you can tweak the width and height values in the iframe right there, then preview again until it fits the layout of your page. When everything looks good, save or update your post or page and view it on the front end. The embedded Canva design should appear just as it did in your preview. A helpful tip: many Canva embeds update automatically when you make edits to the original design in Canva. If you don't see changes right away, refresh the page or clear your site and browser cache to pull in the latest version. If the embed doesn't show, double check that your theme or security settings allow iframes. Some hosts or configurations may block them by default, and allowing trusted embeds resolves it. That's it.